Hello everyone, welcome to our today's video in which we will talk about DORA compliance and understand how you can comply with this regulation in an effective manner. DORA is now a live compliance reality for financial entities in the EU. Since January 2025, the Digital Operational Resilience Act has applied across the sector, raising the standard for how firms manage digital disruption, cyber risk, and operational resilience. What makes DORA important is that it is not just about cybersecurity controls in isolation, it is about making sure that the financial services continue operating even when serious ICT disruptions happen. DORA also expands what readiness really means. It expects firms to manage structured ICT risk management, manage and report major ICT related incidents, perform digital operational resilience testing, and strengthen ICT third party risk management. It also creates an oversight framework for ICT third party providers designated as critical. So, this is no longer just about having controls on paper. It is about proving resilience in practice. And that is where the real challenge begins because DORA touches risk, controls, vendors, incidents, testing, and evidence all at once. When those activities are managed through spreadsheets, emails, and disconnected trackers, readiness becomes harder to prove and much harder to scale. That is why DORA should be seen as an operational resilience challenge and not just another compliance checklist. Now, this is where Controllo fits in. Controllo helps teams operationalize DORA through a connected workflow from control mapping, evidence, risk management, and audit readiness. And because resilience depends on visibility, Controllo also brings in cloud asset monitoring so teams can monitor their cloud configurations and endpoint matrix live that shape your operational risk. So instead of chasing DORA readiness across scattered tools, teams can manage compliance, risk, and cloud visibility through one structured platform. And with Secura, Controllo adds an AI powered control evaluation to this process. A review that often takes 25 to 30 minutes per control manually can be completed in under a minute. That helps teams validate evidence faster, identify likely gaps earlier, and reduce the effort required to prepare for DORA reviews and ongoing resilience checks. DORA has made digital resilience a business requirement and not just a technical objective. Controllo helps make that manageable by connecting compliance, risk, evidence, and visibility into one place. So, if you want to see the platform live or start your free trial, do connect with us. Thank you.